When the praise is due, His glory can. Hello, lovely viewers. Today we are going to talk about keyboard backing. Keyboard backing. You see, sometimes the way I was backing it and singing it, it's not an easy as you think, but to back it. See the backing, so the backing here. If you don't know, it's going to screw, especially the left. Make sure your left is on the right position. The backing of the praises, make sure your left is on the right position. Make sure your left is on the right position. So how to place the left? Sometimes people back like this. They play chord here, they play chord here. You see? When the praises go, you see the chord there, the chord is good, but is the left shouldn't play chord. The left, it shouldn't play chord. Yes, this thing I'm going to teach you is very, very important. The left shouldn't play chord when you are backing praises. Sometimes the bass, you see, you see, you see, sometimes this one, it's not all that you play the octave. It's not all that you are going to use the octave. Sometimes you use this one. You have to use this one. This one. You see. When the praises go up, His glory come down. When the praises come down, His glory come down. You see, so I was using the octave, but in some situation, sometimes when we are going to move, you don't have to play the octave. No, you have to use the one, this one. So when you are coming to the door, then you can easily get your octave. So the easiest way to back, don't go and back. You play chord here, you play chord here, like that. You play chord. It doesn't sound mature in keyboard playing. So try and learn these tricks, and it's going to help you. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very, very much for watching. But please subscribe for more videos.